Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete text messages on your iPhone very easily. Please subscribe to our channel and also put your likes and write your comments. So let us get started with you. Let's open the Messages app. If you need to delete a particular message in a conversation with a person, then you'll need to tap and hold on the message. Then select More. In order to highlight the message. If you want to, then you can delete one. If you need to select more than one, then you select more than one. Then at the bottom, you click on the trash can sign and then confirm your action. This way, the messages will be deleted. If you want to delete a particular conversation, then you just swipe it to the left side. Like this. And click on the red sign. And then confirm your actions. And just like that, everything is instantly deleted. But if you think that this is how you delete a message once and for all, no. Always messages remain here in the app, just in the deleted folder. In order to completely delete a message, you'll need to tap on Filters at the top. Next, you'll need to go to Deleted Data. Here you can see all the deleted messages. They stay here for 30 days until they are completely deleted by the phone. And in order to delete them, you just need to mark the messages that you want to delete, then press Delete. And confirm your action. In this way, you can immediately delete messages from the deleted folder, and no one will be able to view them. This is the simple way you can delete text messages on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you friends. Please subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments and be sure to put your likes. See you soon.